Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how anybody can easily learn the FreeCAD with the help of what is this tool. And in this tutorial we will talk about this, what is this tool in FreeCAD. So basically this is the helps tool available in a FreeCAD. If it is not available on your FreeCAD, then you can go to the add-on manager and install it. And to use it, click on the any features here, press shift plus F1 and then press on the pad, for example. So I got a documentation about the pad. Same way, if any user wants to learn about the revolve, then press shift plus F1 and this revolve tool, then he will get the documentation about this revolve. And beginner user can click on any of the tool and gets his information. For example, shift plus F1 and for example this mirror. So here is a documentation about the mirror, and this all documentation opens in a new tab. It does not affect your default part design here. So once the user learn about the pad, what is the pad, then he can simply go for the pad options and practice with the help of this documentation. So this is very small tutorial to aware the beginner user about the what is this tool in FreeCAD and how it is helpful to learn the FreeCAD inside the FreeCAD without searching any information about any feature of a FreeCAD over the YouTube or the Google. So this is the very small tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my video. Your small support will help these channels. And at the same time, if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on ko-fi.com. Its link is given in your video description. I will come with more useful tutorial on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.